Namaste, my dear children. Hope you are doing well. So, we will continue with our chapter 4, Understanding Windows 10. In the previous class, we learned basic about Windows 10, features about Windows 10, and about the taskbar and desktop screen and icon. So, we will start today by selecting and deselecting icon. So how we can select the icon? First we will see that. To select any icon, simply click on it. Now you can see it will be highlighted. If we want to deselect it, so we will take our mouse somewhere else and we will click somewhere else. So now you can see the icon will now be displayed in its original form. This is called selection and deselection. I simply take my mouse, take my cursor to the on the any icon and press the left key. This icon is highlighted, so it's become selected. If I will take my icon somewhere else, so it will get deselected. Now another thing we will learn how we can select the adjacent and non-adjacent icon. So in adjacent icon, what is the adjacent icon? I have selected recycle bin. So whatever icon is placed near to recycle bin, it is called adjacent icon. इसका मतलब है एडजेसेंट आइकन वो आइकन होते हैं जो हमारे आइकन के मतलब हमारे बराबर वाले जो आइकन्स होते हैं. तो यू कैन सी देयर आर 5 आइकन विच आर next to the recycle bin. These icons are adjacent icon. So we need to use only shift key for adjacent icon. If we want to select this adjacent icon, we will press the shift key. So first of all, what we can do, left click on the first item to be selected. So I have click on the Google Chrome. Now hold down the shift key, click on the last item to be selected. So you can see I am using arrow button, left arrow, now down arrow. Now my all these icons get select. Now release the shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Now how we can select non-adjacent icon. For the selection of non-adjacent icon, what we will do, we will hold down the control key, click one by one on each icon to be selected. So you can see these all are, and this way we can select the non-adjacent icon, and after that we will release the control button. Now next topic we will learn opening a program. So how we can open the program? Simply we will click the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. Now you can see the file will get open, or we will double click on it, then the file will open. And there is one more way, we will right click over it and there is an option at the top, open. So again the file will open. So I teach you 3 ways. Now how we can arrange the desktop icon? For arranging the desktop icon, simply on the desktop screen, this is a desktop screen, is blank desktop area. We will right click on the blank area of the desktop. Now we will go to the view option, and here is an option of auto arrange icon. So I have already selected auto arrange icon. If I will uncheck it, now you can see my all icons are not arranged. So I will right click it. Now you can see auto arrange icon. All the icon get arranged. Observe this, the changes. Now, what is a way to sort the icon? You can see my first icon is this PC, then network, recycle. So it is not arranged in a proper way. So I will right click on the blank desktop area. Sort by, I will go to the sort by. I will arrange it by name wise. Now you can see some changes has happened. It get arranged by the name wise. Now if I will click right click on it and I will arrange it by size wise. Now again the size of the files get arranged. This is small size, then big size. Now if I will right click, sort by item type, date modified, all this way I can arrange my icon. So next topic is changing the desktop screen. So how we will change our desktop screen? We will right click over here. We will go to the personalize option. Then inside the personalizer option, we will go to the background. Now you can see in the background picture. Now we can change the picture. We will browse. Suppose I want to select this picture. I will choose this, select it. I can select it, fit, fill, stretch, tile, center. These all are the ways how I can put my picture on the desktop. See, changes will get reflect. Now you can see my desktop get changed. Thank you. I hope you all understand this well.